Studio microphone introducing the 1982 Cadillac DeVille Elegance. Round pushpin location, Addison, Illinois. Heavy $ price, $13,950. Automobile key details. Mileage, 50,257 miles. Engine, 5.3L V8 gasoline. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, elegant white. Interior color, rich brown with burgundy cloth. Glowing star vehicle highlights. This classic coupe is a standout with its signature Cadillac style and luxury. The well-preserved cloth interior surface and premium AM/FM stereo system make for a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Offered as is with an option for an extended warranty, this DeVille is perfect for collectors or those looking to experience a piece of 1980s automotive excellence. Telephone receiver contact Raffle Cux today at Hidden Information for more details or to schedule a test drive. The 1982 Cadillac DeVille Elegance, where timeless luxury meets classic performance. Don't miss your chance to own this masterpiece. Studio microphone classic charm awaits. 1964 Corvair Monza Convertible. Round pushpin location, Zeeland, Michigan. Heavy $ price, $5,500. Automobile vehicle highlights. Mileage, 6,752 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, stunning viper red, base coat/clear coat. Interior color, matching red. Glowing star key features. Very solid body with excellent structural integrity. Runs and drives great with good brakes for a smooth ride. Upgraded AM/FM CD player for your favorite tunes. New convertible top and a clean interior. Minor sun fading. Tires are like new for reliable performance. Includes drawers and shelves of extra parts, including an additional transmission. Hammer and wrench note, it does have an oil leak, making it a great winter project to fix and restore to perfection. Telephone receiver for more details or to schedule a viewing. Contact the seller today. The 1964 Corvair Monza Convertible, a timeless classic ready to turn heads and deliver driving joy. Studio microphone for sale. 1972 Mercury Montego Brougham. Round pushpin location, Linden, New Jersey. Heavy $ price, $5,500. Automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, classic green. Interior color, matching green. Engine, 351 Windsor with C6 transmission and a 9-inch rear end. Ownership history, 2 owners. Vehicle condition, clear history, no significant damage or problems. Glowing star features, runs and drives great. Ready for the road. Repainted before purchase. Paint is in good condition with some minor blemishes. Tinted windows for added style and comfort. Stereo system equipped with 2 amplifiers for premium sound. Telephone receiver contact the seller today. Serious inquiries only. Please message with Mercury Montego to confirm interest and authenticity. Don't miss out on this 1972 Mercury Montego Brougham, a classic with performance and style. Studio microphone for sale. 1953 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible. Round pushpin location, Germantown, Wisconsin. Heavy $ price, $65,000. Automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 55,354 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, elegant burgundy. Interior color, classic tan. Fuel type, petrol. Condition, very good overall, but engine is seized due to long-term storage. Glowing star highlights. Solid California car with a rust-free body. Preserved through years of careful ownership. Owned by the same family since 1979, a testament to its cherished history. Was a running, driving vehicle before being placed in storage. Perfect restoration project for classic car enthusiasts or collectors. Telephone receiver interested? Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of Cadillac history. Contact the seller today. The 1953 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible, a timeless symbol of luxury and sophistication, ready to be brought back to life. Studio microphone. Discover the classic elegance of the 1969 Mercedes-Benz S-Class 280 SE. Round pushpin location, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Heavy $ price, $25,000. Automobile key details. Mileage, 108,209 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, timeless brown. Interior color, customizable to your liking. Fuel type, petrol. Glowing star, vehicle highlights. This 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE boasts a clear history with no significant damage or problems. Truly a classic preserved in great condition. Known for its timeless design and smooth performance, this luxury sedan offers a unique blend of sophistication and reliability. Briefcase. Why choose the 280 SE? A symbol of Mercedes-Benz iconic craftsmanship. Smooth automatic transmission for effortless driving. Exceptional preservation, perfect for collectors or enthusiasts. Telephone receiver. For more information or to schedule a viewing, contact us today. Step into luxury and own a piece of automotive history with this 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. For sale, a 1973 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4D, priced at just $3,000. Located in Wichita, Kansas. This classic beauty has only been driven 79,000 miles and features a smooth-running automatic transmission. It comes in a striking green exterior with a matching green interior. Powered by the factory 464 BBL engine and paired with a reliable C6 transmission, this Lincoln runs and drives like a dream. It's equipped with working AC and heat, and all lights are in good working order. The car has had 2 owners and is fully paid off. The current owner originally bought it with plans to use the drivetrain for another project, but that project has since been sold. So now, this classic is up for grabs, and it could be yours. The car is being sold with a bill of sale. The seller might consider a trade, but they're not interested in projects or junk. If this post is up, it's still available. Don't miss out on this rare find. A solid, running 1973 Lincoln Continental ready to drive or restore.